Yeah, actually, I'm leaving office now for to Whitefield. Today is day 10 or 11 is there. I guess day 10 or 11 I think. Okay, anyway, I packed everything like in night itself, and one thing is not able to find. That's why I took. That's why I'm planning. Actually, I'm searching for that thing itself, but can't able to get that thing. Like end of the day, that thing is under bed only. In that time only with half 30 minutes it took. Now 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm leaving now office. We will see. Like yeah, we will see. Like the last time I went through uh, Jigni to Bhubaneswara to electricity. Sorry, yeah, on way only electricity, Silk Road to Whitefield. Now I am planning to go another way, like Jigni to Jayada Hospital, like Silk Road. I think Silk Road to Whitefield. So we will see how much time it will take. Currently, I am now tired because I didn't had anything breakfast and all. So I'm look like tired of itself only. Starting road itself. So we will see like how much it will take. Now packed everything. After 4 o'clock, I will leave to S14 to direct metro itself. I will not take any route. Else, if I took bus means if last time happened 5 hours and in traffic means can't able to get railway. Yeah, today actually I have to go leave to office. I have to leave to home also. So yeah, now I freshed up everything. I came here in DLF apartment. Yeah, actually I got bus from here itself. So that better. Like this much weight I can't carry to there. Actually 10 minutes, 20 minutes walking I have to do. So they told like 40 minutes this will leave bus. So we will see now. Okay. Yeah, this much only morning sessions. And today I was missed gym because of I have to go early as soon as possible. Okay, guys. See you. That's some morning season. That's it only. Okay. Hey guys. Now 9:30. Actually, I'm planning to take a bus from Jayada Hospital to Whitefield. Can't able to think. I'm so much tired. And like first time no, so I got some by mistake also. We'll take first ticket here from the metro. Yeah, this one big. Actually, first time I am going to Jayada Hospital from Jayada Hospital to Whitefield. So first time no, so some got by mistake. I'm going that side, other side. So I am finding a buses and all. So it took so much times from there. So now 9:30 is 5:40. Yeah, I came here 9:20 I think. Was filled. So from Jayada Hospital to Jayada Hospital to RV Road I will go by metro. From RV Road to Majestic. From the same metro actually it took 90 rupees per ticket. Maximum is 90 rupees in metro. Yeah, 90 rupees. Okay. From first I have to change 3 metros. Jayadeva Hospital to RV Road to Majestic to and Whitefield. That company located. So 3 metro I have to change. Now 10 minutes left coming metro. 9:50 will come. It will come. Yeah, we will observe today. 9:50 from Jayadeva Hospital means like how much it will take a time. Yeah, guys. I have 10 minutes to wait with metro timing. So much crowded today also. Yeah, so much cloudy today. Yeah. Yeah, when I came to Jayadeva Hospital, no, like I have to take buses. I was planned to take bus from Jayadeva Hospital, but that is not possible because that is not possible because yeah, I have to like somehow like I went other sides. There is a four roads are there. Like I went other sides. This is a lot of heavy weighted. Again I went some other side. That is also wrong side. This much so I can't able to find that correct route and correct bus. So So I thought 9:30 now. If I go, I'd feel 11:30 will go. So better to go at metro only. So I took metro. Yeah, that took metro. So we will see like how much time it will take metro to reach my office. So last time I was in other route. Today this time I was in other route. We'll see, guys. Okay. Now I got a time to make vlog also. Okay, guys. We'll see. Okay. Actually 9:55 I took a metro and now 10:55 6:04 is there. Within 1 hour I came Whitefield through metro. Wow, this is amazing seriously compared to last travel. Yeah, seriously. And we will see like I have a bag also, but like they will allow or not, we'll see afterwards. Yeah, we have bags and all. Like I think in ITPL they will allow or not, we will see. Okay, let you know. After that we will check out first. We are going to have now 6 o'clock. I came by metro to Majestic. I think 5:20 40 minutes took to come metro Majestic only. It's by metro is better. If I took by bus, no, 5 hours. Then so that's why I took a metro. Metro charges only. Metro charges 90 rupees. Before that is the 60 rupees. Was that it was 60 rupees? Now 90 rupees they increased. So guys, yeah, today's increase. I will tell you like in personal bags, my personal laptop also not any personal things. They not allow in my office. So they told like we have to keep. That I went 9th floor to 6th floor to surrender the my belongings. They told like there is my whatever my shop ID is there. Uh, Whatever my shop ID is there. They returned my shop ID and my bags and personal belongings. They kept them in locker. I told I convinced them to allow me, but I think they didn't allow anything. Yeah, guys, they not anything allowed actually. Yeah, so finally like I kept some more because I need to go officials enter my ODC. So guys, metro by metro, yeah, seriously 40 minutes, guys, 40 minutes. See how is possible by metro. Yeah, now I am now 7:05. I think I should be left early only because I thought 1 hour to take here, half an hour. Yeah, now metro came. I'm going from Majestic. I'm entering this one. Okay, guys. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. Hi guys, yeah, now I came to my home. Yesterday I didn't able to do log and all because I was in train, sleeper. Yesterday from Whitefield I left 5:20 I think, like within 1 hour 6:20 6:40 I was in Yeshwantpur. Seriously, it was great time. Seriously, within 1.5 hour I was in the metro Yeshwantpur. Yeah, after that I took a home. After that I took a train and slept but yeah guys, 7:20 train departed from Ishwatpur. Yeah, after that my train was in my ticket was in RAC in my train. So like Yeshwanthpur to Yelahanka, I went alone myself. But after Yelahanka, one guy came from Raichur. Yeah, he told even his ticket like same seat. But after up to which is other train was there, that seat we got. Yeah, we 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. We each other we sit opposite of in front of us only, but can't able to anything because train. How can we sleep if even don't have yeah, even my legs also not my ticket was in RAC, so quite manageable, but bit so much tight. We have to we have to share a seat with the other co-passenger, but yeah, train was good. Like what I'm saying is can't able to RAC is ticket no, so can't able to sleep. So I am a bit manageable, but bit manageable. So after that 12 o'clock, when somebody slept, one the other berth was empty at that time. Some other general guy from general seat, from general seat, some other guys slept at that. TT came at that time. So TT told your seat was in RS is to shifted to this seat. You can shift there. But the seat was occupied by somebody else. TT helped me with that. TT helped me with that to get that seat. Yeah, thanks for that city. After that we both slept peacefully in that train. Yeah, this was yesterday's, and we shared coffee other stations and all. We shared a copy other stations. We okay, this was a nice journey. So after 9 o'clock I came to my Bidar. um, for that see, I took other bus to go to my native. So yeah, I took a bus and came 10 thing. See, 12 to 14 hours, 16 hours, 14 hours journey. I have to make that one. This is my yesterday's. Yeah, I have to do. Yesterday I have to know I didn't did it because I was in train. So yeah, guys. Yeah, now I am I have to attend my meetings, my continuous this day, and Saturday, Sunday is holiday. So I have to make some make some works up as soon as possible. Yeah, guys. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, we got so many friends in my so many friends. I was in my so many friends. I got so many friends in my train and buses. Yeah, my few friends, high school friends. I got so many friends. We talked to each other. Other guys just ignore and went. I don't know. Yeah, this much is story today. Yeah, now I came. See, if I came here, no, I was in Bidar, sorry, Bangalore. To Bidar, you can see obviously some difference. You like Bangalore top city, like Bidar tier 3, I think cities that you can see the difference. You can feel very regrettable because our cities also do like this, no, do well and all. We can, yeah, it's not, and it's not bad that much. It's good because we can traffic was not there. Yeah, good with that one. Climate will be good only because so many factors are not here. Yeah, were not here. If yeah, it's good only. Yeah, guys, now I came. Let's see. Hmm. We'll play first we'll do work channel. After that, we'll let you know this unlock. Guys, actually, I took a chai from outside. I had some breakfast also. I had some breakfast things and just 30 rupees, 5 rupees, 25 rupees for the breakfast.
ಬರಬೇಕು ಜುಲೈದಾಗ ನಾನು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ರ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲ್ಕಿ
ನಾ ಬರೋಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಬರೋಗಿತ್ತ ಕಸ
ಮನೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚೋದಿತ್ತು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಮ್ಮ